Are you tired of having to get out your phone every time you need some more light, but you also don't want to carry around a giant flashlight? You need to check out this mini keychain light from Stevano. At no bigger than your normal key fob, this mini light packs a big punch. The light comes packaged with everything you need to get going, including an instruction manual, a USB-C cable that allows you to recharge it in just 90 minutes. It even comes with a key ring to allow you to attach it to your keychain. The body of the flashlight is made of an aluminum alloy, and all of the parts are screwed together so it can withstand any environment you take it into. The top frog eye lens allows for 800 lumens of light output and has 4 different modes, including a single beam high and low and a dual beam high and low. The COB side floodlight also allows for a high beam, a low beam, a red light, and a flashing emergency light. The magnet on the back allows you to stick it to any metal surface for hands-free operation, and the clip allows you to clip it on your hat or coat to use it as a spotlight during a nighttime walk or as a floodlight in your yard. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.